Oh, here I'm just going to show you a couple of wolves. They seem to be resting. These are quite bigger animals than the jackals. If you watch my other videos, you'd have seen the jackals, but here we got how many wolves? 4 wolves. They're quite bigger. I did not know that a wolf was this big, the same size as a dog. They seem to be resting, they seem to be sleeping. And they seem like they love digging a lot, so we're just gonna see the other side, the other cage. What the other cage looks like. Same environment, looks like a lot of digging and a lot of playing around. But I haven't seen what they eat exactly, so I have to go around and see the rest of these wolves.